In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money in Megapari Telugu. Subscribe to this channel if you find the video helpful. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional Megapari account. To do that, click on register, fill in your details from choosing your country to your email address, repeat your password, and in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LeoTV. If you use the promo code LeoTV, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you might receive $300. Once that is done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. If your Megapari account is in Telugu and you want to deposit money into your Megapari account, here's what to do. The very first option is to come out to your account, go to menu and click on the option that says deposit. And wherever you are, whatever language you are having, it's still going to bring you to somewhere like here where you see the various deposit methods. So you can just go ahead and choose which one is comfortable with you and go ahead and deposit the money. So if you choose the option of crypto wallet like this, they're going to confirm here that you want to use this password or this proceeds you to deposit money to make a party account. So follow attentively and deposit.